Whoa, look at these. What? Nah, I'm lying.
That would have been dope though if they had Yeezys here. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Unfortunately the day's over now because we were stuck at home waiting for a package for Jesus that was supposed to get there at 8:30 in the morning, but it ended up getting there at 7:30 at night.
It's not my fault.
But now we don't really have time for anything, so what we're gonna do is go get some food because our fridge is looking a little hungry right now. It's on E, and I think that's about it. I don't think we have time for anything else today. Damn, I like coming to the supermarket because it's so big and they have so much food there, but the problem is they always give us a hard time to film, and it bugs me because I'm like, I understand if it's a clothing store, you know, you can't record in there because you could replicate the clothes, but what the hell am I gonna do in here? I'm gonna bootleg a can of Goya beans? I love the supermarket. The oldies get me every time.
We got everything we needed. I think we need one more thing though, right?
Ah, that looks so good, but
yeah.
no, we don't need this. Guys, I'm suffering right now. I got this ugly burn mark right here from the curling wand. It always gets you and tells you who's daddy.
As I'm pushing the cart, Kim was in front of me and I kind of hit her ankle. So she's kind of limping right now.
You almost ran me over. My freaking foot is killing me right now.
I don't think I hit you that hard, babe. I think you're exaggerating a little bit.
Get out of here. I was trying to show him something and I stopped for a second to tell him that I didn't know that they had a Dunkin' Donuts in there. And he went like that, boom! And I was like, oh! Oh! Oh!
Tomorrow.
Oh, handmade in Brazil? Wow. Once again, I'm with my brother. We're gonna fix up some cars today. I'm gonna keep him company once again. We're just picking up a few things over here. We got everything we needed from that place. Now we're gonna head over to the marina because my brother has to fix a boat, right? We gotta do a boat this time.
You know how to start a motor? Vamos a dar una vuelta por ahí, Manhattan.
Captain Mike.
Captain Mike.
Let me give you guys a quick tour. I don't know exactly what this section is, but it has some cushions. Over here you got the dining room, bathroom, cool little sink, a little skylight. This is the bedroom with a cool TV. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the fridge. This is your power, your AC, a little bit of storage here. Some more storage here. He brings Bustelo, so you know he's Spanish. Microwave, stove, sink, and that's about it. This guy's actually a good friend of my brother's, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a water from his fridge. It's hot in here. We just turned the AC on. Oh, nice and cold. Oh, I like this bed, Mike. Ah,
Good, right?
yeah, it's not bad. Yes, Kim, I really like this. The only thing I'm afraid about being on boats, Mike, I saw this movie the other day with Kim. It's called Adrift. If you haven't seen Adrift, you gotta check it out.
Hurricane Raymond has taken an unexpected turn and has been upgraded to a Category 5.
I love you. It makes you not want to be on boats. It's scary, man. They drifted off in the sea for like 30 days. It was crazy. So I'd rather just dock and just chill instead of maybe just go around the marina or something. But I'm not going nowhere far.
A few moments later.
What the hell is this? This is not a tangerine, guy. It's really sour. Ooh, I never ate a sour tangerine in my life, but it wasn't so bad. Ugh, I feel like I was sucking on a lemon. You sure that wasn't a lemon, Mike? Okay, let me give you an update what's going on over here. We just checked the radio, we check all the RCAs. The RCAs are bad, so we're gonna change those. The radio's also bad, so we're gonna change that as well. Only thing is that we don't have a radio right here. We have to go pick one up. I could get used to this. I'm gonna be laying there somewhere, getting a tan, while I'll be over here with the shade, sipping a nice pina colada. Virgin, of course. They got a pretty good selection over here, but I'm gonna go with the huevos rancheros and even horchata. That's about it. I gotta chill with the spice.
They got burgers.
My brother's gonna have a burrito. I think it's gonna be a chicken burrito. I'm not sure. Maybe a chicken? It's gonna have a tongue burrito.
Yeah.
Good. Here, you drive. The food was really good. You liked it? That was righteous.
Day 2.
Good morning, good morning. We're about to get this beautiful day started, but first things first. What's first?
Let's wash the car. That's what we need to do.
Let's do that. Doesn't it feel good when the car is nice and clean?
I like when it's clean because when it's dirty, you feel like, I don't even want to drive this thing.
With bird poop all over it.
Oh, that's the worst. That's my excuse to clean it. Bird poop.
And this is about the only thing he's obsessed with cleaning.
No, I'm not. I clean everything.
You a dirty one. You guys, each week when we go to BJ's, we get 2 cases of the 40 bottles of water, the Poland Spring ones. And that means that Jesus, the baby, and I, we go through 80 bottles of water each week.
Maybe a little more sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes more, but you know, I'm gonna give you the basics right now. If you accumulate all of those, that's about 3,840 bottles a year. In case you guys didn't know, every time you buy the water bottles, they charge you 5 cents for each bottle.
Now, if you add that up a year, that's about $182, something like that.
Something like that. We tried to do the math, but that's the closest we got to it. For real though, if you add it up, it's $182 a year. So
that's a lot of money.
the bottles that you're sitting there and you're throwing away, or you're sitting there and you put it in a recycle, you could just go ahead and bring them here to these little machines, cash them in, and get your little money back.
You know what you could do with that money? You could do extra groceries, you could get gas, you could buy yourself, I don't know, some more SD cards.
No, but really, you could put that money into good stuff, and you don't gotta be ashamed. You could just come here. Not only are you getting your money back, but you're doing good for the earth. You're not just throwing it into the trash. And you guys have seen the videos on Instagram and all over social media, right? Where the plastic is just floating all over the water, and you know, it's affecting the world. So you're doing good, you're getting your money back, and what's the harm in that?
I used to hate doing this. To be honest with you, I never thought about it like that. Like Kim one day sat down and said, look, I'm gonna show you the numbers, because I know you like the numbers. She showed me the numbers, and I was like, oh, that's money I'm throwing away. Now when I'm in the car, I drink something, I just put it to the side, got my little bag, and you know, it adds up.
And like I said, that's just from drinking 2 cases of water, 40 bottles in each case, and that's the minimum. We tend to drink more sometimes.
Not 40 bottles in each case.
Yeah.
24 bottles.
40.
In each case?
Yeah. It's 40.
24.
It's 40. I've done it.
4.
Well, we might have gotten the math a little wrong, but you guys get the drift, right?
Either way, it's a lot of money. Don't throw it out, kids.
Yeah, and don't look down on people who do this, because they're actually really smart.
I know a lady that bought a minivan and another one that just opened a restaurant. Yes, a restaurant. They have 2 vans and they pack them to the teeth. I'm talking about to the top, the inside, and they've been doing it for years. They just opened a restaurant.
I mean, of course, she goes around collecting them in the streets. It's smart.
She did it. So here's our little bag. Not a lot. Maybe like what?
That's like 3 days worth.
Yeah, it's like maybe a couple of bucks. When we go eat later, this is what we're gonna tip them with. The money that comes from here.
You can even throw the Fijis in there too.
Look what happens after they go in the machine. They all shredded. You gotta split that 3 ways though.
Here, your quarter. Look at this guy right here. He's addicted.
What one?
You need help, babe. You really
Come
do.
on. How many you want?
You need help, baby. Seriously.
There is. It's hot out here. Come on. How many you want?
I don't want anything.
know
You
you
need
want
help.
one.
I would like a water bottle though. Can you bring me a water?
How many
Bring one for
slices?
grade
How
2.
many?
I don't want any.
Caesar
You need
pizzas, how
help.
many? 4,
You need
3?
help. I'm gonna take you to pizza therapy.
You want one?
I'm
Stop
not
it.
kidding.
You want one?
You need help.
1 hour later.
I've been wanting to do shop with me videos. Well, in our case, it would be shop with us, because I love them. I feel like they're super therapeutic, and I just love watching them whenever I have some free time. And you guys know that we love to come to Century 21 to shop, so I feel like this will be the best place to start. Who knows, maybe we could end up making this like a little series or something. But I want to start in the kids section, because I know that a lot of parents are out there shopping for their kids. It's almost time for school again, and then we'll go ahead and throw in little things that we find here and there. So let's check it out. Let's see how much we can cover today.
these are all used, but they got great prices over here. See up there? Got some good ones too.
They're used bags, but if you're looking to save some money, you could always come here. They're in good condition.
Or the Calvin Klein sunglasses, Guess sunglasses, Tommy Hilfiger sunglasses.
Alright, we showed y'all a little bit of the kids stuff. Now we're gonna show you what they have for men here. So how did you guys enjoy that little segment right there? They have so many things here, we couldn't possibly touch on everything today. And of course they have things that are a lot more inexpensive, but the point was to show y'all the high-end designers that you can buy for the low. So if you guys enjoyed that, let us know down below, leave us a nice little comment, and we'll definitely do some more of these in the future. Also, we didn't show anything for little girls because y'all know it's super easy to find things for little girls everywhere that are super cute. So we focused on the boys' clothes because we have Grayson and we like to shop there for him, so we thought that there were a lot of nice things that maybe you guys would like too. But anyways, we're about to get out of here. We have to find the car before they charge us extra. Grayson's having such a blast back here. He's such a friendly baby and he loves interacting with kids. He obviously doesn't have his brother and sister around every single day, and so whenever he has a chance to come to the park and play with all the kids around him, he has such a blast, and that's what he's doing right now. Hey.
Hey, dude.
You having fun, Gray? I've also read that it's good to put them in daycare, but honestly, I don't feel comfortable putting him in there yet because he's still so little and he's not able to tell me whenever something's wrong with him, if God forbid someone ever did anything to him. And I'm thankful that I'm blessed enough to spend every single day with him all day. I don't have to leave him there to go to work or anything like that. I can work with him, which is great. Shoot, just last year, he wasn't even able to run around the park like this. He was in his little stroller and we just cruise around, and those are good times, and these are good times right here. And so that's why we like to document these little things, because we look back at them and they seem like they were just yesterday, but now it's a whole year that's passed by. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. And we have to get as many park days in as we can because y'all already know September's right around the corner. Then next thing you know, it'll be January and snow will be all over the ground. Oh, Cherico con piña, baby. Nice. Grayson, for you, look. Gray. Grayson does not like ice cream or ices, nothing like that. I don't know why. He's like the only kid who doesn't like ice cream.
He's like, forget that sugar. Delicious, right?
This one's banging.
Hey,
oh,
come back. These are really good. They don't taste sugary. You can even taste the coconut shreds.
How the heck are we gonna get him dry before we leave? He's gonna have to sit in the car naked.
I'm not sure if you can see it, but my feet are soaked. Oh my God, Grayson, look at your hands. What the hell? What happened to his nails? Why is he so dirty, babe?
He was throwing the grass in the air.
Oh my God.
Nah, but we're about to head out soon because it's getting kind of late. Jesus is gonna get this quick time lapse of the sky from his drone and we out of here. Tired. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P